So then we got stuck on the elevator, girl. The elevator. What level was y'all on, girl? 4, girl. Girl, I gotta go. Where you going? I gotta go. So, alright.
See what I want so much, shit never hurt this bad, never did this before, that's what the virgin says.